Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I will teach you on how to run a Julia program in Microsoft Visual Studio Code. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new to my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. We have here a simple one line of code that will display hello world in our screen. Now in Visual Studio Code, one of the best thing about this editor is that it supports Julia programming language. There are tons of extensions. So here, in order to run a Julia program, we simply right click the file, go to run code, or press a combination of keys, Ctrl Alt N. Let's just click this one, run code. Okay, as we can see, no, it runs the code, no, it will display hello world. So that's it, that's simple. It is execute around 2.62 seconds. So if we want some changes, hello world in Julia programming language, Ctrl S to save. Again, same thing, right click, select run code, or click Ctrl Alt N. Okay, it will display hello world in Julia programming language. That's simple and fast. So it took around 0.7 seconds to execute the program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our short video. I hope that it becomes helpful, informative for you in learning how to run a Julia program in Microsoft Visual Studio Code. Thank you so much guys for watching and supporting my channel. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.